have entirely forgotten. That is if they first knew.
Omukugamba mu lukiiko omukuru w'entebe ya Kataana bwa disitulikiti ya Kabarole Richard Rwabuhinga ayorekera obutashemererwa hakyayesire okukokoosa eby'obuheereza omu bitongole bya gavumenti ekyarukushoborra ngu nikibareetera abateganisibwa omu kuhayo encwamo omu kukora embarira hamwe n'okwejumbisa abantu ba butosha mu ntebeekanisa za gavumenti aha ndengo z'ahansi.
Presents a huge mismatch between the increased societal needs, between the increasing population, between so many competing priorities in local governments, yet the budget declines year in, year out.
Nashoborra ngu benji okutunga obuheereza nikyetenga gavumenti eza rwagati okubaasa kubahwera okurebeka ngu obuheereza oburikuruga omuri za ministry bwabaasa kubahikaho okuruga omuri gavumenti ngu nahabwekyo gavumenti eshemereire kutwara esente ez'omu gavumenti z'ebicweka omu mwanya gw'okwenda kuhikiriza eby'obuheereza rurengo rwa disitulikiti erukurabira omuri za ministry.
There are no emergencies at office of the Prime Minister. Emergencies are the local governments. The landslides in the Nibenda, the landslides in the mountain ranges of the Rwenzori, Nyamwaba, Kasese burst in his banks. It is namely. But it becomes very difficult for government to think of decentralizing the management of and response to emergencies. And it takes ages.
William Kasoro ari mukuru w'entebe ya Kataano habwa distrikti ya Ntoroko ajumirire abanyishenjero abamwe abatarukwije mu nkiiko za district council okuhurikiriza ebirukunyangaraza abantu ba butosha batyo bakabigambaho mu ishenjero ry'ihanga ngo aba ebibarugamba mu ishenjero ry'ihanga nebigwire ebibarukwata enchure.
The biggest problem is that our relationship is broken between you the MPs and us the district council members, the lower local government leaders. You miss a lot when you don't attend our councils.
Speaker w'orukiiko rwa Fortportal City Albert Ahebwa nashoborra ngu n'obukirabe ngu Fortportal City kahebwa ekitiinisa ekya City konka tibaine enguudo ezirikumara kandi hariho n'okukyerererwa okwokurabyaho ebitenso okuruga omu ministry ahabikwatiriine n'empeereza ey'abantu.
The delay in having our development plan has been caused by the confusion with the rationalization. Up to now, our development plan is stuck at the ministry for a technical review, which never comes. Today, Fortportal has 4 ordinances, which are supposed to be by laws at the municipality level, stuck at the Solicitor General's office.
David Rwamuhumbu ari omwembezi w'ekibiina kya National Unity Platform omu bicweka ebya Tooro nahamisiriza ekyetengo ekyokuteekaho gavumenti ez'ebicweka ezeetongoire atyo yashaba abanyishenjero okurwanirira ebyetengo by'abantu.
Decentralization, where there is delegation, decongestion and devolution. Why can't you change a law in Parliament that empowers regions in a format of devolution instead of remaining with delegation and congestion?
How I wish we should consider, especially if the MPs push for us that always local governments are given bigger budgets so that the services reach the people and the bread goes to everyone else.
Kabahenda Flavia Rwabuhoro omunyeshenjero kazi arukukiikirira abakyala ba disitulikiti ya Kyegegwa nashaba gavumenti okutebeekanisa orukiiko hagati y'abanyeshenjero n'abeebembezi ba gavumenti z'ebicweka okufuutira omuravunga ekizibu ky'ebyobuheereza aha abantu ba butosha.
Tuningira parliament nesemerra eteekeho obulyo obwokurora obuturukumara kukoma neeteraniza local government na ba members ba parliament bayo in a training that is intended kubalinkinga.
Gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki omuri Fortportal.
Budget should be improved.